Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing a Dalmatian puppy dog thanks to all your requests. But before we get started, I wanted to share with you some fun facts that I learned today while Googling Dalmatians. And the first one, I think obviously, is that their coats are all one of a kind, right? I don't think you can find one Dalmatian dog that has the same exact spots as another. But the one that really caught my eye was that Dalmatian puppies are born with no spots. That is pretty cool. So I'm definitely going to look into that more and see like when do the spots come in and how do they come in, and I thought that was pretty interesting. So other than that, get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper, and let's get started. To draw this cute puppy, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. Nice big circle. And come right across and draw another circle. Now that my circle's in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There, now that our eye is in, let's come above each eye, and right here, we're going to just draw a soft curve over each eye. Then let's draw his nose. So let's come about right here in the center and draw a big curve. And I'm going to round it off on the sides and then connect at the bottom in the center. And then let's come back to the top and give it a highlight right here. So just draw oval and then shade everything else in. From there, let's come straight in the middle, and we're going to draw a straight line down right in the center, and then we're going to go up. I mean curve, sorry. We're going to curve down and then go up. Okay, so before we finish that, let's come back to the sides. So let's come back to, let's see here, let's say where the eyes are. They're going to come out just a little bit. Same thing on this side, just a little bit right next to the eye. And I'm going to start to draw a curve that comes back to here. So we're going to go around the eye. Let's go soft curve around the eye. And then we're going to taper in a little bit. So we just want to give it some shape, come in a little bit, and then curve to connect. Right there. So you just want to come in a tiny bit. After you surround the eye, then come down and around. So same thing over here. So maybe you can see this side better. So around the eye. And then as we come down, we're going to go in a tiny bit, come out, and create this curve right there. Then from there, let's come in between these 2 curves right here, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve at the bottom. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw the top of his head. So let's say about, I'm just going to nice big oval. So I'll just give myself a point just so I know where I'm going. So I'll say about right here, right in the center. And I'm going to bring this up. It just helps me figure out kind of where I'm going. So this will be my center, nice and high, and then I'm going to start to come down. But if you're drawing small, you don't need to do that. And we're just going to bring this down just like the other side. Okay, so now that we have his head in, let's give him some ears. So we're going to come in this area right here, and I'm going to pop in a curve, and it's going to come down. And let's see here. If you like, you can come down and actually pop it out a little bit. Pop it in, I mean. So if you like, you can bring this curve in a little bit more so it kind of cuts through. And let's bring the ears out. So if you're using a pencil, you would just erase this part right here. Let's come out right here, and we're going to come down and just give him these floppy ears and connect. So if you're not comfortable doing that, just go around the face. It's all up to you. It doesn't really matter. This way it just looks like it's hitting his face a little bit more. So the ears. So about right here, and go out just like the other side. Come in right here, and we're going to do the same thing. So as we come right here, I'm going to pop it in a little bit and then out. So then right here, just like the other side, and connect. Okay. So I'm going a little bit slower just to make sure I have the right shape. So then in terms of that curve I was telling you about, we'll just come in here, oops, with a whiteout pen, and I'll wipe this out. That's only if you care to have the ears hitting the face a little bit more. If you don't want that, like I said, you just go around the face. Now that we're finally done with the head, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come right here and give myself 2 points, and I'll bring this down and bring this down, and let's see here, let's bring this down a little bit more. They do have long legs, so let's say about right here. I'll give myself 2 points. So this is where the legs are going to start, and I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve. Soft curve on both sides. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to bring this in. So notice it's getting thinner a little bit, and then as it curves in, I'm going to curve out. Curve in, and then slightly curve out. So let's work on this side first. Right here, I'm going to pop this out for a paw. Here as well, and connect. Then I'm going to come right here, just add a curve and 2 curves. So same thing over here. There, now we have his front legs in, and in between, let's come right here, and I'm just going to come up, just draw a soft curve right there. And then for his back legs, let's come up about right here. They do have long legs, so we're going to come up a little bit higher and come down to about right there. And then in this area, once again, we're just going to draw the back feet. And I'll just put in 1 curve. So same thing on the other side. Bring it in, and then as we get to about right there, and in. This side we have a little bit more room, so you know what? Better put in 2. I'll fix that in the computer and erase that. Okay, so now we have the feet in. Now let's draw a tail. So come in this area right here where his foot is, and I'm just going to draw a curve down. And let's thicken it up. For his tail. And let's give him a collar. So say about right here. I'm going to give him a collar. I'm going to pop this out a little bit. I know I always say him for a dog and she for a cat. I don't know why. Cats always tend to be girls to me. Okay, so then from there I'm going to come right here, give it a little center, on the collar, and then bring it down, and of course give it a heart right there. And then now we're pretty much done. This could actually be any kind of dog, right? Like a Labrador or whatever puppy, golden retriever. But now to make it a Dalmatian, let's give him his spots. So I'm just going to start with the first one for sure. I'm going to put one right here to give him a heart spot. And everything else, I'll just go ahead and do that really quickly. So I'll surround his nose just to give it some more definition around his face. Thought that'd be really cute. Just small little, but it's all up to you how you want his spots to be. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Dalmatian puppy dog turned out just as much as all the other dogs I've drawn so far. And most importantly, that I was able to help you draw this fun and easy. But before we go, I went ahead and Googled why and when do the spots come in for the Dalmatians, because I thought that was really interesting. And so it says here, they are born plain white, and but their spots usually appear within 10 days. And it continues to develop until the dog is around 18 months. So that's what Google says. So that is pretty cool. So I just love learning these new things every day, and hopefully you do too, and this inspires you to check out more information about other dog breeds that you may love. So thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.